sing with Talat Saab. Maybe has some ghazals and few others. So every time I listen to a ghazal, I think in my mind, what would Sonu Nigam sound like in this? Any plans of doing a ghazal album?
I incidentally did a beautiful ghazal for Lataji's album called Sarhade. It came about 3 years back. Unfortunately, today the market is such, especially in India. I still, dare to say that there are more Ghazal outside India. Right. And also inside India, but the people who manipulate the business of music, they're not Ghazal. They're such staunch businessmen. They don't appreciate the fact that somebody sitting in America would be asking this question to Sonu Nigam, that why are you not coming out with a Ghazal album? At least there is a demand. And there is no supply. And they think that's business. They think that they know everything about business. They're only catering a certain genre of songs to the people, thinking that that's all the people want. There is I would believe that we would have a single music channel dedicated to independent music or music other than Bollywood. The radios don't play it. So that way, India discourages anything that is out of the box. That is why you're not able to listen to a lot of stuff that we all have done. Even Hamnashin is not being promoted for many of the channels and all. We know about it because you are the Nasir. You're a Hamnashin. We know about it. We know what it is. Maybe gradually times will change. Some good people will come up together, and there's a lot of discussion about copyright law, and they don't want to give the rights to singers. A lot of companies are fighting against singers' rights. So a lot of such stuff is happening. I'm hoping that in a couple of years it will be sorted. New government has come. I hope they insist on the labels to follow the law. I hope these things happen. And maybe when there is a revenue system in place, then they will want to promote music which is not the so-called popular genre that they feel.
So in short, the answer is no.
The answer is we will keep churning out with stuff, but you will have to be really attentive to pick it up.
Okay. Thanks, Nabeel.
I'm not intending to sing the song myself completely. When I make a song, I sing like the singer I want in that song. So I made like Ash King or Mika sing in Super Super. So when I was making the demo, when I was programming the song, I used to sing in his voice and their voices, just to give a reference to the director producer, Yasser Hoga. So when I did Zalima, I wanted a kind of a dry voice, because as you said, the drought had to be reflected or expressed out through the voice. So I wanted that voice, which is, I don't have that voice, and it's a strenuous thing. I cannot do this on stage. If I do it, then I won't be able to do a 3-hour show. Because it's just, so a lot of journey within myself. Why am I born? Why am I the way I am? All those odd stuff which some of you will connect to. That somebody will say pagal hai. So I do go through all this, and then I decide what to do, what not to do. And then I motivate myself in that direction. That तुझे फिल्मों में गाने गाने हैं, then my answer comes. मेरे अगर ठीक से होगा तो गाऊंगा. If नहीं हुआ तो जबरदस्ती I don't want to bother myself कि इसमें मेरे गाना नहीं है, उसमें गाना नहीं, इसमें गाना नहीं है. तो clear. This is it. करना क्या? The one opportunity that I get is to connect with people directly on concerts. Wahan I have to work hard. I have to do something which nobody has done before. So that is why, in my mind, I am giving you guys something which nobody can give you in the whole world. Because I am giving you multiple genres of music. I am not giving you only rock music or only symphony music. Oh, they do all that music. But we are giving you symphony with an Indian touch to it, with some classical, with some G.D.K. Chardin, with Bijuria, with dancers. So in my mind, I am trying to give you all something that nobody has given. This is my inspiration. Because I am not trying to give you what Elvis Presley has given to you or Michael Jackson to you, because they all have done their best to what they could have done. My duty is to find my purpose, my abilities, and then gather and streamline my effort and give it to the people, and then make myself happy also that way. So it's all basically self-motivation. Frankly, it's not that. Yes, one of the very important forces in my life was my mother. I lost her that year, last year. But they all are my. They bless me. But motivation is all. It has to be found. Seek from. Self-motivation, as I said. I used to keep listening to various singers. Of course, my father and mother were there to guide me. Rafi Sahab aise gaate hain, Kishore Kumar ji aise gaate hain. So they introduced me to their good points. But I was a very keen, I was hardworking, a keen, what do you say? I was just that people are always surprised. Stage, he's not some pompous guy who will, come out with chashmash or pen. He comes simply. हमने नहीं कमाया but गाना मत दो, रिंगटोन दो, they know one songs. Ringtone do, because they would never ringtone themselves. So they are doing the business wise, cheap bar for them. And then other thing is, if they want something like ringtone से अलग चाहिए तो सूफी दो यार, सूफी दो, क्या सूफी? सूफी में 2 वर्ड डाल दो, रब्बा रब्बा, अल्लाह का डाल दो, माही डाल दो, सूफी बनी गाना है। हर सूफी गाने में मौला डाल दो या रब्बा रब्बा डाल दो, सूफी बन गया। तो दिस इज थोड़ी सी छोटी मोटी कॉन्वर्सेशंस हैं यहाँ पे, which we but this is how it's changed. Earlier the songs variety used to be a lot. We used to have border का संदेश आते हैं, and they would also have सोचे कि तुम्हें प्यार करेंगे नहीं, and they would have some bhajan somewhere, and they would have some शादी का song somewhere. So there were a lot of various kinds of genres. Today we only see club songs and Sufi songs, club songs and Sufi songs, or Sufi songs and club songs. Naz, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
She's a very old friend from Fiji. I met her for the first time in 1994.
Wow.
Fiji man.
I know.
I was like,
Very good, thank you. So I don't have to introduce myself.
no, don't do that. Very well.
For the records, no. It's okay. Well, I don't need a mic even to talk about. I love you always.
Thank you so much.
And definitely, you're such a passionate and very loving person.
Because what we wanted to convey was conveyed.
Right.
That's all. As far as you said, I keep changing my voices. That's a part of me that keeps reminding myself that You have to keep working on yourself. Don't be complacent कि अब तो जो आवाज़ है वो है, अब तो हर गाना उसी आवाज़ में गाना ऐसा नहीं. Just imagine that you are 18 now still, and you are emerging into a world which has these kind of voices. Try to be like them. As long as I can adapt myself to such styles, keep adapting newer styles. Why should my brain stop the adaptability? Why should I mean, people normally think कि एक genre में पकड़ लिया तो अब उसी में हम करके we will just adapt. But I feel human brain can really keep adapting. We stop कि अब तो अब नहीं यार. That is why people, change, jump genres. That is why people who are American singers, they can't amongst themselves, they can't jump genres. Hip hop artists can't do country can't do. हमारे में तो कितने लोगों ने किया कि रफी साहब ने क्लासिकल भी गाया हुआ है, कव्वाली भी गाया, गजल भी गाया, भजन भी गाया. So we've all jumped genres over here. The people can't jump that much because stuck with it. अब हम रॉक सिंगर है तो ऐसी होगा. Think about that way only. और हम लोग हिंदी भी गाते हैं, इंग्लिश भी गाते हैं. थोड़ा सा एफर्ट देकर हो जाता है, एक्सेंट भी करेक्ट आ जाता है. थोड़ा सा एफर्ट देकर आ जाता है, इन लोगों को नहीं आ सकता. Because हम लोग very flexible. So I keep training myself that I need to just be flexible and not become over smart कि अब मैं ये हूँ, अब मैं उस्ताद, हाँ साहब बैठो मुझसे सीखो, मैं बताऊँगा कैसे गाना है. नहीं, मेरे को अभी भी सीखना. I still learn myself and I don't want to think कि मेरा पीक आ गया. It shouldn't happen like that. My life and my family's life. So my father is also very unhappy. Maybe in a couple of years or so, when probably we'll be able to accept this fact to some extent, maybe then we'll creatively think of doing something together. I want to do something with my dad because his voice is still very young and very powerful. He's not aged with his voice. Thankfully, that's what God bless him. And with God's blessings, I think, as you said, it'll happen. I imagine in my heart and my soul that I'm no longer different from the audience. I seek their blessings. I seek the blessings from God that all these people who have come, who have sat, who have come from so far and who have taken our time to come. If they see the artist is careless, they'll come and just have fun, probably talk and say chat, chal raha. They are listening to me because they know even I'm serious about it.
Yes.
I'm not making a mockery of myself and I'm not just doing anything. They know that there is a lot of planning behind the concert. So the audiences also relate to that factor. Bay Area's audience was special, or probably has been special, perhaps because the organization was very good. The fact that the security was tight, good. So they were allowed to dance, they were dancing in their own seats, whatever, but they were not allowed to create a mess. Not that I minded, but just the people sitting in the front, they feel very uncomfortable because उनके सर पे कोई नीचे ना चढ़ा हुआ, they're sitting in the front thinking that they are the VVIPs and then they suddenly realize that was the worst thing. They need to figure the back somewhere. So I totally understand that. That was one of the, but also Summit Online some education counts now. The audience थोड़ी सी समझदार लग रही थी मुझे. They were sincere, they were quite cultured. I don't want to get into the regional part aspect of it, but I really mean it. There was a lot of genuineness in the approach of the audience also, and one feels like giving them more when people are so reciprocated. But having said that, all our concerts have been really awesome, and every show leaves me with a different color altogether. It's a different kind of bliss. You can't explain it. Every show leaves you with some kind of bliss, and there's a certain thing when I talk about my mother, after the first 3-4 shows, I stopped crying because every day it can't be programmed in my head that I see my mother, I'll start crying. But in the Sunday show, I cried, which was quite surprising because now it has become a part of my act. So every time, earlier first couple of shows, I could not stop crying. But then as I did more shows with that same thing over and over again, I stopped crying and I could manage my thing. But in this concert, I couldn't stop crying. There was something in the air. So you can't explain क्यों हुआ कैसे हुआ
Yeah.
बस हो गया हुआ
Yeah.
हाँ बस वो प्यार I don't know प्यार it's वो सरस्वती बैठ जाती है कभी बोली बात or sleep enough whatever. So by the time I reach Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I have a lot of energy. As I reach Sunday, my stock is getting emptier, but with a lot of cardio and a lot of coffee, I can manage. Coffee does well for me. This is all. We had a small harmonium. I learned keyboard from that harmonium, but I passionately did all that. So our parents were not so well to do that they could give me, ये गुरु आ रहे हैं घर पे सिखा रहे हैं, teachers सिखा रहे हैं और आज शाम को ये हो रहा है, कभी keyboard वाला आ रहा है. We had nobody to teach us anything. So we all, I just saw people and I learned all by myself. That was really the game by the age of 18 when I did my 12th standard, came to Bombay. And then your colleagues teach you so much. आप उठते बैठते हैं with people who are